Hello National Geographic education community. My name is Kavita and my Capstone project is about engaging students in awareness and advocacy around climate change based upon scientific data. This is my high school. I teach at Monte Vista High School in Cupertino, California. And this is my classroom where young bright minds are inspired to develop scientific view of the world through the study of chemistry. I am honored to be one of the 35 Grosvenor Teacher Fellows for class of 2017. It's an incredible honor and means so much to me because National Geographic magazine gave wings to my imagination and took me to faraway remote places way before I learned to read or write English. So this picture right here is very special. In my capstone project, The Earth Deconstructed, students chose a topic around climate change from National Geographic documentary Before the Flood. They researched their chosen topic further for its causes, effect, and possible solutions. Student topics showed variety and complexity of the issues. The topic ranged from deforestation, melting of polar ice caps, endangered species, air pollution in China, GMOs, understanding how climate change became a political issue, corporate interest versus science, and what small changes can an average citizen make to have an impact on this global issue. Students were taught to do effective research to find primary and secondary sources in scientific databases such as EBSCO and JSTOR. Students synthesized their findings using Google Doc and shared their learning with classmates via oral presentations. This project aligned with National Geographic Learning Framework and addressed the attitudes of curiosity and responsibility and fostered the skills to observe, communicate, collaborate, and problem solve. This project aligns with National Geographic Standards 14 and 16. Generally, when we talk about climate change, the understanding is that this learning is somehow limited or reserved for science majors, which is only a small population. However, every single one of our students will become a voting citizen, so we realize that it is important to engage all students in this issue. To do that, we organized a multidisciplinary event, The Earth Deconstructed, where students from art, ceramics, drama, photo, journalism, French, modern language, math, SPED, special education, chemistry, all engaged, and they chose a topic around climate change and they depicted their learning in the medium of their choice. This is our multidisciplinary team of teachers. We also created a Facebook group, tweeted to engage our community, and made a futile attempt to get Leonardo DiCaprio to attend our event, which created a lot of buzz for our students. At the event, students learned firsthand about issues related to climate change from experts on the panel. There were local policymakers, National Geographic naturalists, scientists, business executives. Students felt validated by expert feedback on their poster session. Bill McKibben from 350.org made a video specifically for Monte Vista students. Here are some samples of art projects: ceramics, social studies, math, who created a solar cooker, a eco app, and language arts project from the event. Students engaged in advocacy. Over 500 students and panelists engaged in advocacy and understanding of climate change. The real icing on the cake was when Tierney, a National Geographic naturalist, and Jordan Lim hosted an Explorer classroom session from Monte Vista High School. This was totally engaging and an inspiring event for our students. Jordan, being a Monte Vista alumnus, he also engaged in answering student questions, and I loved his advice to the students, which was travel and explore. So teacher reflection. In a big global issue like climate change, students often feel small and insignificant. After this event, students learned that even their small lifestyle changes can be impactful for our interconnected world. More importantly, we've tried to bring attention and advocacy around climate change by targeting the head, but it's time to target the heart. I am one thankful teacher after this event. As part of Grosvenor Teacher Fellow program, I had the privilege to go on an expedition to Galapagos Island thanks to National Geographic and Lindblad expedition. It was truly a life-changing experience to see islands where natural world is not impacted by human activity. From this expedition, I am hoping to bring a collaboration between my students from Cupertino, California, and students from Tomas de Berlanga School in Santa Cruz, Galapagos, around global citizenship and environmental issues. We each will have lots to learn from the other.